Hey beautiful, so today I will be playing with this Polygel nail kit by Gershion. I think that's how you say it. So I received this kit a while ago, and since everyone is quarantined right now, I thought it would be really fun to do a set, play around with the nail kit, all that. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I do, continue watching. So this kit came with everything that you needed: the polygel, the top coat, the gel, the dual forms, and the nail file. I had to purchase this light separately because it didn't come with it. So I got this light at Walmart. I do have my own UV light, but it needs new light bulbs. So here are the instructions on how to apply the polygel. So make sure we read that. And here is a polygel swatched. Beautiful colors, right? So I will be going in with natural pink, this shade right here. So here's the dual forms. Look at them, look at them. So I'm just going to open them up, and then I'm just pretty much going to size them to my nail. You don't want it to fit exactly. You want a little bit of room, so when you're pressing down the product, it is going to spread. So you need a little bit of room. So just take your time, okay? Don't rush through this process right here, because I feel like this is a really important process right here, is trying to figure out which ones fit, because you want to go with the ones that fit like boom, right? But you need to pick the ones that fit but have a little bit of room. So, you know, move it around like this, boom. That one, because it fit and it had a little bit of room. So I'm just pretty much just going to just sort them all out. All 5 fingers over here, all 5 fingers over there, and boom, we're all done. So I had them all set up, all that good stuff. So I had some alcohol in a little cup right here because you will need that. They call it the slip solution. Well, that didn't come in the kit, so I just used alcohol. And then here is the spatula that it comes with. This comes in the kit. And then the other side is the brush. So really cool. I like it, and it feels really nice and heavy. I like when things feel heavy because it feels like it's suspensive, you know? So going in with the file, I'm just going to just start filing my nails, going over them so that when I apply the set, it adheres very, very well to my nails. So just going in and filing. I don't have a drill kit or anything like that. I did order one, so I'm waiting for that to come in, but we're going to use what came in the kit, which is the nail file. So just take your time trying to get all of your nail. I know some people don't get all of their nails, so it's pretty much up to you, but I wanted to get all of them. Now we're going to go in with the base coat, and we are just going to apply this on all of our nails. Just make sure that you get it, you know, evenly coated on it. Looks really nice. Again, take your time. When you're doing your nails, especially for the first time, don't rush, because you're just going to do double the work. So do it right the first time so you don't have to work more, you know? So I have it on in all my nails, and then I'm going to cure them. Now let's go in with the polygel. I'm just going to add just a little drop to the dual form, and then I'm just going to use the brush and a little bit of the alcohol and just work that in to the nails. So just spreading it out so it's not too thick and it's not too thin. If you need to go in with more, go ahead, go in with more. Then I'm just going to apply it to my nail, hold down a little bit, and then a little bit will squeeze out on the sides. So just make sure you clean that up. So I'm just cleaning the sides, trying to, you know, be really nice and not make too much mess, because again, I don't want to work double. So I'm just removing as much as I possibly can. This kit is sticky even with the alcohol, so just keep that in mind. It is a little sticky. Make sure you guys do clean the back because it will get thick back there. Then I'm going to cure it, 30 seconds, pop it off, voila. Look how cute that looks, you guys. So freaking cute, right? Alrighty, so now I'm just going to spray some alcohol, get some of the stickiness off, and then wipe it off, and then boom, done. So now I'm just going to continue doing the other nails, adding a little bit, pressing it in, and then if I need it to, like, you know, slip, like move around more, I go in with the alcohol to like help move it around. So I guess that's why they say to like to use like slip solution, so it's easier and like to slip it around, you know. And I'm just going to press that down, clean up any of the mess that's around the nail. So this is my first time using polygel. Like crazy, right? Because I feel like this has been going around for a long time. But the more I'm going to play with this kit, I feel like the more I'm going to love it. So I'm excited. I'm like super excited. I ordered more stuff because I want to play more with it, because it just seems like, okay, like it's just going to work better, you know. And it looks so freaking pretty, and it just looks, it looks and it is not that complicated. Now my nails didn't come out looking like 100% like, oh my god, amazing or anything like that, but I feel like with practice I won't be perfect, but I will be better, you know. So if you guys have any tips or tricks, let me know down below. I love to take feedback from you guys. Sometimes you guys be having like the best makeup tricks, tips, all that. So if you guys are like huge into polygel nails, let your girl know, because I feel like I'm going to be messing with this kit a lot. So if you guys are excited and if you guys want me to show you guys like me doing all that, let me know down below too. And don't forget to like the video. I would greatly appreciate it. Greatly appreciate it. But let's go back to the nail. So now I'm doing the pinky nail, adding a little bit, and then just working that into the nail. I feel like this was such a fun part, but at the same time, it was getting like a little bit too sticky, you know, because like it just, I don't know, it was just getting really, really sticky. So I gotta make sure that I try and use maybe less alcohol. Maybe that's what's making it sticky. But it was really fun, and especially because I felt like a little chingona también, like popping it on there and then moving my hand and cleaning it and stuff. I was like, ooh, like this is real cute, like really, really cute. And it just brought back memories, because I used to do my nails with acrylic back in the day, and so it was just really fun, you know. And I feel like when you have nails on, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like extra sassy. Like I just feel like I'm feeling myself, you know. So it felt really cool. And then this little lamp too, it's just every time you put your hand underneath it, it turns on. So I felt even cooler with that. I don't know, it was just cool. So now I'm just removing them. Look how they look, you guys. I turned up the lighting so you guys can see them. So look at them. I love how they came out. I love the shape. Super cute. So now I'm just going to cure them again, make sure that they're all good, and then I'm going to go into filing. So I feel like the filing is like a really important step. So make sure that you're filing your nails so you get rid of like any of the excess on the sides. You can shape them how you want. I know this is like cringe right here watching me do this, but I feel like this was the only, like that was the only way I could get that nice like sharp edge. So yeah, just make sure that you're filing after you're done curing your nails and stuff, and then taking off like shininess on top of the nails, all that. So now I'm starting with my other hand. This hand was pretty hard, like it really was, because I am not used to, you know, applying polygel or acrylic on the other hand. Like it's just hard. Nail polish, I feel like I've kind of got that down, so it was just really different doing my other hand. And I just try to make sure that like, okay, they matched up size, all that stuff, and then just taking your time. Like just take time for you to do your nails. Don't rush through it, you know. So I'm finally going to use these really pretty butterfly stickers, like tattoo stickers. I'm not sure on the right name, but I will link them down below. So these are so freaking cute. So what you do, you pretty much just cut the one that you want, okay? And then this is the one I chose. Super cute, right? Then you dip it in water, okay? And then it just literally just like slides off, and then boom, you can put it on your nail. Like look at that. Oh my god, this is my first time using it, so I was so excited. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna do another one. And then this is it, just sliding off. Like look how easy this is, you guys. Like voila, and it just slid right on. Super freaking cute. I was really happy with how like easy that was, because if things are too hard, I overcomplicate it, you know. So I'm so glad it was just literally so easy. And then you guys have seen these before, so I'm so happy I'm using them. These are the rhinestones for my nails, and these are so freaking cute. So I went in with the top coat and just started placing the rhinestones, trying to do like a little cute design. Again, send me ideas of like how to place the gemstones and all that, so that I can have my nails looking really cute. So I put them on, boom, cured them so it would harden, and then I just added the top coat on this nail. I don't know, I was really feeling myself, you guys. Like again, I know they're not 100% like, damn, that's a nice set, but it's good for like my first time, right, using polygel, right? I hope you guys are like, yes. So I added them, all that, cured them, and then boom, this is my left. I couldn't do any cuteness over here because I'm not that cool yet, but I feel like it came out really cute. And then here's my other hand. I feel like this one came out really cute. I like how I placed everything. So let me know what you guys think down below. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. And help your girl out, you guys. Leave me some suggestions, some tips, all that. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in the next video again. I'm nervous. Okay, bye, guys. Bye.